Hey guys, it's demolition day at our Folsom bathroom remodel. The clients already had us do a basement for them and they liked it so much that they brought us back for more. Let's go take a look. At this bathroom remodel in Folsom, PA, we're using a Schluter shower system that uses several waterproof layers to create a fully customized shower. We start with our Curdy membrane over the walls, applied with a specified thin-set mortar that bonds the membrane to the substrate. Once all the walls are covered, we move on to the shower base. Here we're using a Schluter Curdy preformed shower pan that's already pitched from the factory and then cut to fit on top of the subfloor. This is the foundation of our shower pan and connects to the drain system. Next, we apply our Curdy brand and preformed corners, and we're left with a waterproof shower system. Finally, we move on to tile installation.